How to pair HP Rechargeable MPP 2.0 tilt pen. So usually when it comes to this pen over here, it is dependent on what kind of laptop or device you're using the pen for. So we have some information over here that the compatibility for this tilt pen is for HP devices that support Windows Ink and Microsoft Pen Protocol MPP 2.0 and is only available for the HP laptop models and selected ones, of course. And if you want to go ahead and find out if your specific HP laptop is compatible, you can go ahead and enter their website to see the full list of the product features. You're gonna have to look out if your devices support Windows Ink or the Microsoft Pen Protocol or MPP 2.0. But once you have that in mind, and if your laptop or whatever device is compatible, you should be able to automatically or directly connect it to your laptop. So make sure it's charged first. You can wait for a white light for your tilt pen to light up. That means it's fully charged, but you can go ahead and pair it to your laptop, like an HP OmniBook X14 or something similar to that. But you can go ahead to the My HP app and go ahead to your My Pen or the digital pens. So you can find this in the devices of your HP app, and then you're gonna put your stylus over into this button. So you can touch stylus for status and hold it over there for around 3 seconds or whichever instructions it tells you to do. But this way you should be able to integrate or connect your tilt pen directly to your specific device model. But that's pretty much how you do this process. Again, it's only for compatible HP laptop models, so you could have to put it in mind. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.